I joined Vatka on 12 December 2005 at Vatka City Project, Sector 49, as an executive architect. Before joining, I was working with an architecture firm in Gurgaon. During my interview, which was taken by Rangan sir, he explained my role, that is coordinating with principal architects, consultant, vendors, contractor and execution team. Initially, I was part of architecture cell and later was involved in product strategy, design management and finally in VPMS now. My journey at Vatka has been extremely transformative and rewarding. I joined at Vatka site office and my interaction were primarily with engineers there. From the foundation stage to the final handover, being part of Vatka City Phase 1 has been a proud achievement and learning journey which is still continuing. While working on Vatka City, I got opportunity to work with Divya ma'am. The vendors we selected, then till date we are working with the same vendors. This very much explained the priority company gives to relationships. After Vatika City, I got the opportunity to be part of developing the mega township project Vatka India Next. That was the true turning point of my career. From residential projects to commercial, to retail, to city infrastructure, I got an opportunity to take care of everything. My biggest achievement has been working on Vatka India Next Township, where we have developed independent floors, Gurgaon 21, city homes, lifestyle homes, 7 lamps, Matri Kiran School, SCOs, services buildings, and much more. Rangan sir and Arup sir have been my mentors. They are always providing guidance, support, and expertise whenever needed. I would also like to thank Alok Mehta for his mentorship. Developing a township comes with many challenges. Preparing road sections, incorporating underground services, grading and leveling of entire sector, designing road junctions, surface finishes, service buildings and park development. We overcame these challenges through teamwork, planning and continuous coordination. I owe my success to Gautam sir, who has always guided and encouraged us. I was privileged to directly interact with sir from the time of my joining. There is a lot to learning from him. He always said, think like an end user. So this has helped us a lot in all designs and decisions. I have always got positive response from him. Always work with dedication and a clear mind. Nothing can stop you. The best part is the freedom to take responsibility, the culture of teamwork and the opportunity to grow while contributing to meaningful projects. The constant encouragement to take decisions, the support from leadership, and the continuous scope for learning. Integrity, commitment, and perseverance. Never give up until the work is completed. Completing 20 cheerful years here would not have been possible without the support of the management. The best thing is the open door policy, which encourages us to share ideas freely and express our opinions. Management truly cares for people, and small gestures like personal birthday wishes till date always make you feel special and connected to the company.
I'll start out by saying what Alok means to me. Alok actually embodies all the values of Vatika: commitment, quality, integrity, and trust. So, Alok and I started working in Vatika City, जो उस टाइम पे हमें लगता था सबसे बड़ा टाउनशिप हरियाणा का है, and it was the largest group housing of Haryana, spread over 37-40 acres, and we started working. After that, it's India Next 1, India Next 2, which is totaling to almost 800 acres. But what is admirable about Alok, and he's so competent and how should I say, precise as an architect should be, that if his seniors are sitting, I am sitting, various other stakeholders are sitting, and everybody defers it कि अगर आलोक ने बोला है तो ये सही होगा. मतलब if Alok has said it, it has to be right because it's Alok saying it. He's so detail oriented and so committed to the township and the well-being, and constantly is thinking of ideas of how to improve it. I would also like to say that, of course, we work with many architects, but master planners are different. They have to think about how cities will breathe, how they will be energized, how they will evolve with time. And Alok is really, really good at it. He's a true asset to the company. And more than anything, I just enjoy working with him because he's so thorough. और आपको उसको कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ लो अभी भी, वाटिका सिटी का, इंडिया नेक्स्ट का, किसी स्ट्रीट का, किसी कॉर्नर का, किसी नुक का, ये लैंड किसकी है, ये डिस्प्यूट क्या है, या इसमें हमने कौन से सर्विसेज ले किए थे, या इंडिया नेक्स्ट 2 का, he does not need to refer to any note. He'll just pat, here is the answer. He's that good. All the best, Alok, and look forward to working with you again.
Hi Alok, congratulations on completing 20 years. आलोक और मैंने लगभग सेम टाइम पे वाटिका ज्वाइन किया था, एंड आई थिंक वन ऑफ हिज फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स वाज वाटिका सिटी, एंड द सेम गोज़ फॉर मी. आई रिमेंबर वर्किंग विद हिम ऑन अ प्ले एरिया इन वाटिका सिटी एंड ऑल्सो द इंटीरियर्स ऑफ अ फ्लैट. And what I remember of Alok is that he was a very, very simple person and a very sincere worker. So Alok, here's wishing you all the very best. Enjoy your moment.
I did meet Alok off and on whilst I was in Ambala or Jaipur. However, my regular interaction with him started when I came to Gurgaon. I must say he is one of the very few architects जो कि धरती से जुड़ा हुआ है. आई मीन वो ज़मीन पे डेवलपमेंट का रास्ता दिखाता है. इन द लाइटर नोट, जब भी उसका फ़ोन बजता था मेरी सांस ऊपर की ऊपर ही रह जाती थी. सर, विलेजर्स ने हमारा काम रोक दिया सर, कहते हैं ज़मीन उनकी है, सर्वे के हिसाब से हमारी थी सर. सर ये देखो GMD और MCG वाले हमारा सर्विस ले नहीं करने दे रहे. अपार्ट दैट, हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन इन द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट हैज़ बीन एग्जाम्पलरी. And congratulations to him on completing 20 years, and I wish him many more such productive years in the future.
Hi Alok, heartfelt congratulations to you on completing 20 incredible years with us. Alok as a person is a wonderful person. He is a very good family man. He is very calm and cool and jolly person. By heart foodie, he has very good relation with our team members. He is an excellent architect. His passion for architecture is contagious, and his ability to turn visions into reality is truly inspiring. He has worked with me for the development of Vatika India Next, which is an integrated township, first time township in the Gurgaon. We are grateful to have him on our team. Thanks for your invaluable contributions. Wishing you many more years of success, growth and achievements. All the best, Alok.
When I joined Vatika, I met Alok at Vatika City, where he was posted for at least 7-8 years. Then he handed over the Vatika City for the further completion to me and moved on to the township development of Vatika. he's been very, very instrumental and very thorough about his each and every land parcel of the group. In addition to that, personally also he's a very good friend. We party together many times, and as an individual he's a very nice person.
Alok is working with me for the last 20 years. He joined me during the Vatika City project, and he was a newcomer, almost newcomer at that time. What I noticed within Alok, that he is very calm, he never loses control. Number two, his eagerness to learn the new thing. And the third thing is, he loves to take the challenge and complete the task. So that three things, that is his strength. Since then he is working with me, so I know Alok personally and professionally both. As a person, he is very jolly, and he always comes up with the solution, new solution, and he never gives up the project until it is finished. Professionally, he always try to take the new task and try to accomplish it within the time frame. He works in a various section in our reality, and every time, whenever we are in a situation where that task or project needs to be completed within time frame, Alok is always a savior for us. I wish him all the best for the future.
Congratulations to Alok for completing 20 years with Vatika Limited. आलोक के लिए मैं 3 शब्दों में बोलूँ तो ही इज़ ए ब्रिलियंट आर्किटेक्ट एंड एन ए गुड फ्रेंड, या मैं कहूँ मेरा पार्टनर इन क्राइम, एंड ए गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग। आलोक के साथ मैंने काफ़ी ऑफिस शेयर किया है, साइट पे रहता है आलोक, तो उससे बहुत आसानी हो जाती है जल्दी काम करने की। डिज़ाइन के डिस्प्यूट्स होते हैं वो बड़ी इजीली क्लियर करके जल्दी काम होता है। एंड आलोक का सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत अच्छा है, जिसकी वजह से हम कभी भी बैठते हैं तो ऑफिस का माहौल हमेशा खुशनुमा रहता है। ही इज़ ए गुड गाय।
The strength of the team is in each individual member, and the strength of each member is the team. This holds real meaning in every sphere of life. Congratulations, Alok, for your 2 decades of dedication, service and commitment to Vatika. It's been a real privilege working with such a dependable and well-grounded colleague as you. Your calm composure, even when under pressure, is an asset to the team and organization. So we look forward to many more years of conversation. Madam, वो उसका क्या हुआ? And then finding n number of solutions, and then closure with your favorite statement, 100%. So wish you all that you wish for yourself all along.
Alok. We share the same surname, so I call him Bhai. We met in year 2012 during a project. Alok is a fun-loving guy, very helpful when we work together, very sincere towards his work. I can call him a walking encyclopedia for township works. I wish him great success, and I wish him next 20 years in Vatika. Thank you.
Congratulations, Alok ji, on reaching this outstanding milestone of 20 years. Your professionalism and dedication have been invaluable to the team and the organization. Wishing you continued success and many more milestones ahead.
Congratulations, Alok ji, on completing 20 years in Vatika. Alok ji is extremely particular and passionate about his work, especially when it's come to design. जब भी हम किसी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं, he always stay focused on look and feel of the product. Make sure everything is perfect. He is also very helpful, cheerful and positive person to work with. I wish him all the very best.